Where is your office?
My office is on the 6th floor.
Why did they leave?
They had to attend a seminar.
Where was this photo taken?
It was taken at the London Bridge.
Where are my glasses?
I saw them in the car.
How often does the bus come?
The bus comes every 15 minutes.
How far is the university?
2 kilometers from here.
Where can I find the taxi?
You can find a taxi near the gas station.
How many people are coming?
4 people are coming.
What do you do daily?
I cook daily meals.
When do you pray?
I pray in the morning.
Where do you pray?
I pray in the puja room.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the local market.
Where do you eat dinner?
I eat in the dining room.
What do you drink?
I drink water and tea.
Where is your car?
In the garage.
Why are you here early?
Traffic was light today.
When is the concert?
This Saturday night.
Why did you call me?
Needed some advice.
Who made dinner?
My mom cooked.
Why did you laugh?
Heard a funny story.
Where is the bathroom?
Down the hall.
What's your favorite scent?
Fresh lavender.
Where is the supermarket?
Next to the library.
Who mowed the lawn?
My brother did.
Where is the cafe?
Next to the bookstore.
Why are you leaving early?
Have another appointment.
How do you change a tire?
Loosen, lift, replace.
How do you plant flowers?
Dig, plant, water.
Why are you here?
Meeting a friend.
Who is your favorite character?
Harry Potter.
Who's your best friend?
We've been friends since childhood.
When is the deadline?
By Friday.
When is your appointment?
Tomorrow morning.
When is the event?
Next weekend.
How do you make coffee?
Brew, pour, enjoy.
Why are you sad?
Lost my wallet.
What are you doing there?
I am tidying up my closet.
Are you busy with something?
I am cleaning the windows.
What are you doing there?
I am decorating the living room.
Are you doing something now?
I am checking my emails.
What are you doing right now?
I am polishing the silverware.
What are you doing there?
I am putting groceries away.
What are you doing now?
I am organizing my paperwork.
What are you doing right now?
I am sharpening the kitchen knives.
When will it be done?
It'll be done by evening.
Why is this important?
It's important for my family.
What's in this drink?
It has lemon and mint.
When will you visit?
We will visit here next year.
When is the last train?
The last train is at 10 p.m.
How long have you known her?
I have known her for 5 years.
Why aren't you eating?
I'm not well today.
Where can I find the taxi?
You can find a taxi near the gas station.
Where did you vacation last?
We went to Austria.
Where do you live now?
I live in Delhi.
What do you prepare daily?
I prepare daily meals.
What do you read?
I read books.
Who drinks tea daily?
I drink tea daily.
When do you sleep daily?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
How do you make tea?
Boil water, add tea.
When is your birthday?
On October 12th.
What's your favorite sport?
I love basketball.
What's your favorite TV show?
Friends is the best.
When is the game?
Tomorrow evening.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is magical.
When is lunch?
At 12:30 p.m.
Who is driving you?
My dad.
Where is the bus stop?
Down the street.
Who cleaned the kitchen?
I did this morning.
When is your interview?
Next Tuesday.
How do you turn this on?
Press the power button.
How do you make pancakes?
Mix, pour, flip.
Why are you so busy?
Lots of work today.
What's your favorite car?
Tesla Model S.
What's your favorite type of music?
I love jazz.
Who washed the dishes?
I did, after dinner.
How do you fix this?
Call a professional.
Who is your favorite director?
Steven Spielberg.
Where is the library?
Near the school.
Who is your favorite singer?
Beyoncé.
When is the meeting?
At noon.
What are you doing there?
I am tidying up my closet.
Are you busy right now?
I am organizing my wardrobe.
Are you busy right now?
I am organizing my bookshelf.
Are you busy right now?
I am rearranging my furniture.
What are you doing there?
I am setting the table.
What are you doing right now?
I am cleaning the bathroom.
What are you doing now?
I am organizing my pantry.
What are you doing right now?
I am changing the bed sheets.
Are you doing something now?
I am organizing my makeup drawer.
Why should we go there?
It's really beautiful.
Where should I sit?
Sit near the door.
How was your trip?
It was amazing.
Why did you change jobs?
For a better opportunity.
Why is the store closed?
It's a public holiday.
Why did the meeting end early?
We finished all discussions.
What time is tea time?
Tea time is at 4 p.m.
When is breakfast served?
Breakfast is at 8 a.m.
How do you bake bread?
Mix, knead, bake.
Where is your phone?
Charging on the table.
Why did you call me?
Needed some advice.
What's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn.
Who is playing music?
My brother is.
Who is playing music?
My brother is.
Where is the store?
Around the corner.
Where is the remote?
On the coffee table.
When is the party?
This Friday night.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I love broccoli.
Where is the garbage can?
Outside the back door.
How do you use this gadget?
Read the manual.
Why are you saving money?
For a new car.
Who mowed the lawn?
My brother did.
What's your favorite month?
I love December.
Who is calling you?
My mom is.
What's your favorite hobby?
Gardening is relaxing.
How do you fix this?
Call a professional.
When is the party?
Tonight at 8 p.m.
Where is the library?
Near the school.
When is the concert?
Next Friday.
What are you doing today?
I am attending a meeting.
What are you doing there?
I am decorating the living room.
Are you busy doing something?
I am updating my calendar.
What are you doing now?
I am editing a document.
What are you doing now?
I am disinfecting the doorknobs.